Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how some foods can dramatically improve your health just by how they're prepared? Today, we're diving into the world of fermented foods, an ancient secret to modern health benefits. Whether it's the spicy kick of kimchi or the tangy taste of sauerkraut, these foods are not just great on your palate, they could very well be your gut's best friends. Stick around as we unveil the magic of fermented foods and why you might want to add them to your daily diet. Fermentation is one of the oldest food preservation techniques known to man, yet its benefits go beyond just keeping food edible. Imagine tiny bacteria and yeasts turning ordinary foods into nutrient powerhouses. That's exactly what happens during fermentation. These microorganisms break down sugars into acids or alcohol, preserving the food and enriching it with vitamins, enzymes, and crucially probiotics. Let's start with kimchi. Originating from Korea, this fermented vegetable dish does more than spice up your meal. It's a rich source of probiotics which help in boosting your digestive health. Enhancing immune function and fighting inflammation are also great reasons to reach for that jar of kimchi next time you're at the store. Moving from Korea to Germany, sauerkraut is basically fermented cabbage that's popular worldwide. Not only does it make your pork dishes sing, but it's also good for your gut health, thanks to the abundance of live cultures. It even provides a healthy dose of vitamin C and other antioxidants that can boost your immune system. Have you ever tried kefir? It's a fermented milk drink similar to yogurt but with even more probiotics. These bacteria can help balance your gut, enhance bone health, and might even protect against infections. Drink it plain, add it to smoothies, or use it in salad dressing for a tangy twist. Next on our list is miso, a Japanese seasoning produced by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji. Miso doesn't just enhance the flavors of your soups and broths, it's also a fantastic supporter of digestive health. Plus, it's linked with heart health benefits, such as reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. These fermented foods don't just taste good, they also contribute to better absorption of nutrients, which means your body gets more of what it needs from what you eat. Probiotics found in these foods help keep your immune system strong, crucial in fighting off infections. Regular consumption can also reduce inflammation, a key in preventing many chronic diseases. The connection between your gut and your brain is strong. Eating fermented foods might just boost your mood and mental clarity. So, how can you make these superfoods a part of your daily regimen? Try adding a spoonful of sauerkraut to your diet by tossing it into your salads or on top of your tacos. Enjoy a glass of kefir in the morning or swap out your regular yogurt for it. Introduce miso into your cooking by using it as a seasoning in your meals. By now, you should be convinced that fermented foods are not just tasty, but are stacked with benefits that can lead to a healthier, happier you. Go ahead and experiment with adding these foods to your diet gradually, and observe the changes in your health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your own experiences with fermented foods. Have you tried them before? Did you notice a difference in how you feel? Thanks for watching, and remember, a little ferment can go a long way toward boosting your health.